tell you apart. I'm gonna send you back to Arkansas. Oh, yes, ma'am.